Divya. Respect headmaster, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to conduct the today morning assembly. Today good thought. Hard work is the key to success. Good morning friend. Good morning friend. My name is Devani. Today is special. Today is 13 August 26 International Left-Handers celebrate on morning everyone. My name is Swaranjali. Proverb of the day. Honest is the best policy. अर्थ प्रामाणिकपणा हे सर्वोत्तम धोरण आहे. Good morning friends. Today is news headlines. India is making progress in science and technology. Schools across the country are preparing for Independence Day celebration. Good morning everyone. Today is question. Who was the first human to set foot on the moon?
टाळ्या वाजवा.
Yes, Vinesh Fogart is associated with which sport?
करा.
Good morning friends. I am going to tell the moral story. Story name is The Lion and the Mouse. One day a lion was sleeping in the forest. A little mouse ran over the lion's body. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. Mouse replied, please forgive me. One day I may help you. The lion laughed up but let the mouse go. A few days later the lion was trapped in hunters. The mouse held the